Here's something we're going to explore. Can magic mushrooms tackle some of the biggest mental health challenges facing people today? Well, that's what one company in Nova Scotia is hoping to prove. Hallucinex is running a medical trial treating people with PTSD with psilocybin. That's that's a psychedelic compound found in magic mushrooms. And for more, we're joined by Senior Vice President Don Hunter. Welcome to Your Morning.
Thank you. Thanks for having me.
Usually studies have to pay participants. In your case, 1,500 people applied. There is demand for this kind of treatment. Can you tell us about the trial and a little bit more on how it works?
Well, when I think about how lengthy it's been to get to this place, it started about 2.5 years ago with our contract research organization. We had gone through the literature review, the history of previous clinical trials. That led to our protocol, of course, which is what is developed for actually all steps that are taken through that clinical trial. So next steps, of course, is finding safe supply, GMP grade, safe supply, good manufacturing product practices. And of course, once you've had that approval through Health Canada, then you submit to Health Canada your protocol. And again, then you get, once you receive your no objection letter, then we were good to go for our trial. We were very fortunate that we were able to go to a phase 2 because there's been so much clinical trials in the past, human consumption, that the safety factor was there that allowed us to move to the trial. Now, when it comes to the trial, as you had mentioned, we had an overwhelming number of inquiries, very heartfelt stories that really made it hard to filter down. But of course, in your protocol, you have an inclusion-exclusion process that starts to filter down the number of people that you're going to work with. From there, there is a pre-screening that, again, filters it down a little bit more, which then leads to the patient decision that this is a possible patient that could be good for the trial. And once we bring them in, they go through a battery of further mental health questionnaires with our PhDs at Acadia University to see do they meet the criteria. From there, if they pass those scores, then they move on to our medical I guess our medical history, the full medical history of the patient to make sure that criteria meets. That's ECG, blood work, and so forth. And then we move to the trial. The first week of the trial is a small microdose, so no psychoactive effect there. But that's just to make sure there's no adverse reactions, followed by a week later of a microdose. And the microdose is where the true treatment for the patient and the healing happens. In that process, it's about a 6 to 8 hour process.
I wanted to ask you about your personal experience and your personal journey, because you have received psilocybin as part of your treatment, which is part of the reason that you're exploring this in the first place. What was that journey like for you, and what do you hope the future for this will be?
Well, I appreciate you asking. I'm a product of PTSD treatment resistant myself, which is our true trial. These are people that have not had the benefits for first and second line treatment, whether that be talk therapy, using antidepressants, SSRIs. So I was one of those people. This was 30 years ago, but I still carry those residuals and those barriers that I've built up over time to function in life. Unfortunately, I had, actually, I should say, fortunately, I was able to go to a jurisdiction where it's still legal, and I've been, because I've been involved this for 2.5 years, I found the right researchers, doctors that I trusted, and the right safe supply that I was able to find that treatment. For me, it took 2 treatments to really break through those walls that I'd built up over time. And, I guess number one, it's removed a lot of the triggers and anxiety that I deal with on a daily basis, as well as in my personal and professional life. It has put me at peace and allowed me to excel.
I imagine that's what you're looking for anyone who is applying to be both part of this trial and to bring it to people at large. I want to thank you for joining us this morning, Don.
Thank you so much.